Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Wake up, wake it up, wake it up. Okay, beautiful people, rise and shine. Okay. Oh, okay. We don't want that to happen. We don't want that to happen. We don't want that to happen. Okay. We don't want that to happen. Hold on a second. Siri, cancel navigation. Cancel that. Okay. We back? We back? Good morning. Ooh, get the camera out my face. That's what they're going to be saying this morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am heading to the YSL trial, ladies and gentlemen, and we back. We black. Oh, I need a tripod. I need a tripod. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I need a tripod. I need my tripod. I done packed everything, but I ain't packed my tripod. Oh my goodness. Okay. We gotta get a tripod. I gotta get a tripod. I got a tripod in my other car. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everybody. I'm sorry. This is listen. You got me in real time. I gotta get a tripod real quick. Stand by. I need a tripod. I should switch vehicles. Okay. I'm back. Okay. I need a tripod. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Put a one in the chat if you can hear me, ladies and gentlemen. Put a one in the chat. We are heading to the YSL trial where the jurors are back. The jurors are back. Mr. Kenneth, Lil Woody, Copeland will be on the stand. And bro, don't mean mug me when you see me. Please don't mean mug me. I'm from the Bronx. Don't be trying to mean mug me when you see me in the courtroom. I ain't with that. I'm not with that, Playboy. We here to do a job. Don't don't make me lose my mind up in here. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let me make a U-turn, man. I'm sorry. Making a U-turn. Okay. Shout out to everybody. We back. We are back. You know, I let them have their fun on the internet and all the YouTubes have their fun. They popping back. We back. We gonna be live tweeting, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna be. Look at that. You know I'm a New Yorker when I can bust a U-turn in a small circle. Okay. Let me put my seatbelt on. Hold on. My neighbor's probably saying this guy crazy. This guy crazy. What up, everybody? What's up, family? We lit. We let them play on the internet. We let them cap on the internet. We let them cap. Oh, the judge said make you 20 times. I can't. No. Okay, y'all been playing around out here in these courtroom streets. All right. Well, Big Papa back now. We got Big Bertha in the back. Big Bertha, you okay? Big Bertha in the back. Oh yeah. We up out of here. Okay, all right. Okay. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. I can't do this. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, now we back. Now we really back. Now we really back. Did I do that? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So this morning, Judge Whitaker has requested counsel and all parties. I say parties. Those are parties to the case to be there at 8 a.m. Well, I'm not going to be there at 8 a.m. I like to make my grand entrance. I'm not going to walk in at 8 a.m. I'm going to be in there. I'm going to be there on time. I'm going to be there on time. Okay. Okay. So the judge is going to poll the jurors. And this is going to be so freaking interesting, ladies and gentlemen. When the judge polled the jurors and asked them the question, have you or are you able to recollect the testimony of Lil Woody? And they're going to have to say yes or no. And if they say no, I'm going to call it cap. Kenneth Copeland was the last witness on the stand before the jurors had a 60-day break. Not 30, not 45, 60-day break. So why wouldn't the last thing, it's called first in, first out, last in, first out? Well, the jurors should, if they're paying attention, as the judge has instructed them throughout the trial, pay attention to the details in the case. Take notes. So are they going to rip the notes out the pad? Because the notes are there, in the courtroom. I don't think that they're going to be able to. Let's just see. I'm so interested to see how these jurors react to this. And I'm not naive to believe that the jurors have not seen social media, have not been tagged in posts, have not been informed that, hey, the judge got kicked off the case. Judge Glanville, Mr. Comfort Break himself, got kicked off the case. They're going to have to know what the heck is going on. They're going to have to know that the Honorable, and I'm going to call him the Honorable Judge Lil Glanville, was kicked off the case by Judge Krause. And while the ball is still moving, it's just a different tonage, a different style. But Judge Whitaker is not dismissing this case by way of a mistrial, or not forget dismiss, but dismiss. They've been making motions, and that's the defense to have the case dismissed, but have it declare a mistrial, but it's not happening. The judge is artfully writing her orders and justifying why there should not be a mistrial. And shout out to Doug Weinstein, because I saw over the weekend that he has, or he's planning to file a certificate of review as it relates to the rulings of Judge Whitaker. Now, we heard this before. We heard this with Judge Glanville. But now Judge Whitaker is now in the crosshairs of the defense attorney, Doug Weinstein. And Doug Weinstein has said on Twitter that he's not taking this laying down. He's still fighting. So they want to get to the appeals court and see how that works. I don't know. I think what Judge Whitaker is doing is that she is making sure she dot her I's and cross her T's, and making sure that she doesn't make the errors that a colleague made while he was on the bench. She wants to minimize the risk of violating these defendants' rights. But I would argue, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot unring the bell that has been ringing. You cannot unring the testimony of Lil Woody. You cannot tell these jurors to forget the antics of Lil Woody, and you can't expect these jurors to say, Oh, we can forget it. We don't remember it because no, he has been the most colorful witness that has taken the stand, with the exception of Adrian Bean. He was kind of colorful, but Lil Woody, ladies and gentlemen, is a celebrity now. And I will also say this: I want you guys to pay attention. The stakes are higher financially for Lil Woody. So what that means is he has to show up, show out. The last words he said to Judge Whitaker before he left the witness stand last week is, depends on how I feel on Monday. Oh, he's ready to turn up, ladies and gentlemen. Lil Woody ready to turn up today. Oh, he's going to turn up. He's going to show out. He's going to make sure he goes viral. He is a celebrity. This is content. This is content that's going to play it out around America, and he controls the narrative this morning, I would argue, because he is the one that the prosecutors is hanging their hat on. This is a star witness. Well, I don't know, prosecutors. I don't know if you guys made a big mistake by making him the star witness, because he's about to have you guys looking like Play-Doh. You know, that clay that used to come in the can when you were small, they came in different colors and you used to try to match it up and make statues. Yeah, he's going to play with the prosecution like Play-Doh. And they know he's going to be a character today. They know this. And this is just going to be more embarrassing for the prosecution, because ultimately these jurors are going to have to weigh the evidence, the testimony. And depending upon how he has rehearsed, auditioned, and delivered his script throughout this the remaining of this trial, is going to determine how these jurors view the evidence. You know, you only need one juror to vote not guilty. You got 12 jurors there. If it goes to a conclusion, and the jurors have to vote, you only need one juror to say, "Nah, I don't believe this." This man, Young Thug, Yacht Gotti, and the other four of the defendants have been sitting in Cobb County, Fulton County, and the neighboring jails, waiting to have their case fully adjudicated. Well, guess what? The jurors have also been inconvenienced. Their lives have been put on hold. They have been getting the 20. I don't know if they're getting their money yet. I mean, there's so much going on here that it's incredible, and I'm here for it. I'm so here for it today. So I want you guys to make sure you are watching my Twitter, because I will be live tweeting, I will be shooting, and I will be streaming. So I'll be doing a whole bunch of things today. Okay, here we go. Come on. What are you doing? All right, guys. You don't want to cut me off like that. All right. So I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for this reality show. I'm here for this power, love and hip hop type of testimony today. Because I know he's going to turn up. I know he's been rehearsing. I know he has a higher IQ than many people think he has. He has a higher IQ than many people think he has. Lil Woody ain't no fool. And I'm going to tell you something else. Lil Woody didn't just do federal time and state time and not know how to play the system. You're not surviving in federal prison or state prison not understanding and knowing how to read the room. Because reading the room is part of his survival in the penal system. So you think he doesn't know what the jungle looks like? He knows how to move through a jungle. He may have your food, he ain't got me food. Lil Woody knows how to move through a jungle. He knows how to work a room. He's not doing federal time, and when I tell you he's doing federal time, when he did federal time, he met some of the smartest criminals there. And this is my opinion, but I don't put nothing past him. And I saw his interrogation video. I saw what he said. I saw how he said it, and I saw certain things that a lot of you probably didn't pick up on. But I wasn't buying some of the stuff that he was doing. I saw the manipulation. I saw I watched his body language. I mean, I studied the video before the video actually was released in trial. So I see things in him. I see things in him. He's a very smart individual. He's a very smart individual. I will not take that away from him. To survive in a jungle, you have to be the smartest animal in that jungle. You got to be able to read the room and know when there's a threat that's going to approach you, and you have to know how to get past that threat. Guys, listen, I'm gonna tell you something. Lil Woody is the gift and the curse for this trial. He is the gift and the curse for this trial. And depending how the prosecution restructures their case, it's going to say a lot. It's going to say a whole lot. Because Lil Woody, he got something for him today. I know he does. And I'm here for it. I am so here for it. I am so here for it. I am not able to read the comments. As you can see, I'm driving, but I see a lot of comments coming in. I will read the comments at the conclusion of the live. And if you guys have any questions, please make sure you leave a comment, or make sure you follow me on Twitter at Mr. Dennis Byron. Make sure you are following me on Twitter at Mr. Dennis Byron. You're probably saying, Byron, where you been at? I've been working. I've been moving around. I've been doing some things. But I'm here for it today. I am so here for it today. I am so here for it today. And for the members, I got something special for you. I got something special for you. I got something special for you. Got something special going down this month. Major. All right, come on, Playboy. Let's go. I used to ride my motorcycle to from New York downtown, from the Bronx downtown, and dealing with the traffic. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't get on a motorcycle now, guys. But it gets you through traffic. It gets you through traffic. In New York now, they ride mopeds all everywhere. Every freaking corner, I see a freaking moped. Okay, no, we're not doing that. Do that. Not doing that. yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this traffic, something else. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Stand by. I'm at a light. Let's see if I can look at the comments real quick. So there's a cop behind me. You are funny. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. All right. I want to stop at IHOP. Okay. Okay. Let's go in sport mode. All right. So I think I would agree with someone in the comment section. Woody might be boxing himself in a situation because if he embarrasses the prosecution like I think he will, they can come back at him. Well, no, he has. Well, as long as he stay within the immunity agreement, I think he'll be good. But right now, I'm sure he's being advised by Attorney Melnick what he can and cannot do. Now the question is, will he stay on script? Because he's gonna have to be on script. He already told the judge, come in, Judge, I don't want to be here. What I think they should have did was allow him to plead the fifth. Don't give him immunity, and then come, let the door stay open. I mean, it's from a prosecutor's standpoint, I think that's what they should have did. But they want this guy to play with them. I mean, just think about how Kelsey did in the Tory Lanez trial. She got limited immunity, but she played with the prosecution. She played with the prosecution. 1 minute she remembers, then another minute she doesn't. On the recording, she sounds very convincing. On the stand, she's so ambiguous to the details. Woody's playing the prosecution right now. This is what I'm seeing. He's playing the prosecution. And then there's going to be a cross-examination. And oh my goodness. I'm not okay with Judge Whitaker not considering the removal of the prosecutor if the defense needs to call them as witnesses as it relates to the ex parte. But then I understand the judge's ruling when she's basically said that and Kayla helped Kayla Bumpus. Shout out to Kayla Bumpus with her eye candy this weekend. Did you guys see Kayla Bumpus's eye candy she posted on Twitter? She put some eye candy on. I shared it. I'm like, go Kayla, eye candy, go Kayla. She came out with boom, 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 boom. I'm like, Kayla Bumpus is trying to get those followers up. I hear you, Kayla. I'm coming. Listen, I'm going to post my workout video. I'm going to really be I'm going to be stunting on Twitter. I'm posting my workout video. I mean, everyone's doing it. Everyone's just having fun. It's no more just tell a story and just give the details. You got to do all the extra stuff. I was like, Kayla, well, how you doing, Miss Gomez? This married woman is trying to have fun on the internet. I don't think Kayla likes me. I don't know. If she likes me. I don't know. I was being hard on Kayla, but I get it. She's a young attorney. She needs a good mentor. She needs someone to really tell her, like, listen, you can't be doing stuff like this. This thing is broken. I don't know. Of course she's not protected. Like, that was the biggest lie. Like, let me tell you something. The prosecutors are doing too much. To tell Woody that he would be protected by federal charges is ludicrous. It's ludicrous. And the fact that the judge allowed that to be even told to him is problematic. You had no U.S. ASA or assistant attorney generals a part of this agreement. No letter, nothing. And Woody had to know this. You can't give a state prosecutor give federal immunity. I mean, if he was prosecuted for a crime, well, I don't know anymore. Because double jeopardy appears that at least one of the defendants had already did time for his crime, and they prosecuted him. They're prosecuting him again under the RICO statute. So I don't know, but lying to him, telling about you, it was like they were being car salespeople. Listen, you can. I'll give you the warranty. I'll give you the brand new tires, but you got to come back for the engine later. No. They were doing a little too much. To even suggest that he had federal immunity is crazy. It's dirty work. And that's where I think his jeopardy may come in at. Because he's obviously afraid of talking about some type of crime that he might have been a part of. Or he wouldn't have got immunity. So there's something there. And it's being watched around the world. But this is an opportunity to shine. Today is going to be his day. Today is going to be his day. Okay. It does appear that we're about 15 minutes away, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes away. Okay. Ooh. You guys didn't see what I did? Got a light. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I need my mods to be on deck today. Bonjour. 504. What up? Oh yeah. uh, what do you mean Woody admitted to smoking crack? God, that's so 80s. That's so 80s. Smoking crack in 2024 or 2020 or no, that's just like And what the hell is going on with Nelly? Nelly, what are you doing? Like, Nelly, come on, Playboy. Nelly get charged for possession of ecstasy? Like, you guys remember, I don't know if you guys remember, but I think almost 10 years ago, his loyal bodyguard was charged with possession of a heavy amount of ecstasy, like distribution. Like his bodyguard that he's been with Nelly from the start of his career, and he went to jail. He actually got sentenced. I'm not saying Nelly had anything to do with that, but it does look kind of crazy now. You got a whole baby, you got a beautiful wife, you finally got Ashante, and you getting charged with possession of ecstasy? Like, oh my goodness. You would think that people with that kind of money would find a better way of coping, but it happens in this industry. It happens. But if anyone's ingesting any type of drugs now, the way they repackage and remanufacture and lace it with all kind of stuff, you're playing a dangerous game. Bad enough you got to worry about the food that you eat, but you are literally putting something in your body that it's already bad for you. Coupled with the fact that you don't know what these chemists or pharmacists, street pharmacists, are putting in your drugs. Dirty world out here. Now you're taking chances with ecstasy? It's just crazy. It's crazy. And I like Nelly. But that's just crazy, man. I was so disappointed. I'm like, yo, you just got Ashanti finally. You just got your girl. A beautiful couple. Like, come on, didn't you embarrass your wife? Man. Brother gotta go to rehab. That's just what it is. Cause you don't know how long people will be on drugs. Some people be on drugs. They be functioning addicts. You don't know how long they've been on drugs, but it happens. But this might be a wake-up call for the brother to get some help. Because getting charged with ecstasy. Nelly's over 40 years old now. I think Nelly's about maybe 46, 47, maybe 50. I don't know. Someone type in the chat. How old is Nelly? How old is Nelly? I don't think he's 50. 40. Wait, hold on. I see 47. I'm gonna see that. Wow. That's crazy, family. I'm coming up on a light. Hold on. 49. Wow. Come on, brother. No, right. No car insurance. What the? Oh, come on, no. Oh my God. Yeah. 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 That's when you know your life is out of control. You, you know, no car insurance. Oh. You'd be surprised how many people ride around with no insurance. You would be surprised. Ain't me. I would park my car. If there comes a time I can't afford my insurance, that car is parked. I mean, you hit somebody, not only they're gonna charge you with the accident, but they're gonna hit you with, like civil liability, and it's just drugs and no car insurance. Like, come on, like, oh my God. And 49 and still doing drugs. And not drug use. I'm not justifying drug usage, but usually people do that when they're in their teens and their young 20s. But you get that. You try, you experiment, you do stuff like that. Back in the day, yeah, someone smoked some weed. They do the powder, but like when you get that age, you gotta get your life right, like for real. Like back in the day, they were doing some, but the heavy drugs, when you get a certain age, like, come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? Because all that stuff is breaking down your immune system and putting you in a serious health risk, your wife in a health risk, the child in a health risk, and then I don't want to say this, but if you were doing that, I'm not going to put this out there. I'm just going to just leave it. You guys know where I'm going with this. But if he was doing drugs while he was with Shante, and just think about the parents that was doing crack that had children back in the day, and look at the effects of some of the children and how they act. You see it. You see it. You see how jittery the kids are, and and then you learn that the parents did crack, and then that's in the bloodstream, and now the kids are getting the fallout. Yeah, it's all bad. It's all bad. Please do the fart. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, X is like, see, that's the, hold on, guys. You 40, and you're 40, you gotta take Viagra? Give me a. I'm not taking none. I take ginseng. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I'm doing ginseng. That's it. I ain't taking no Viagra, none of that. Doing all that. X is like, nah. I'm not a chemist, so I don't know what the effects of it is, but it sounds like it's like cocaine. Like it was like that. It was like a stimuli. I don't know. I don't really care, but like, oh my goodness. I don't know. I mean, we got to be the examples for the youth. And then his brand, like, come on. We've lost so many celebrities. So many. Whitney, like Rick James, just tons of them. A lot of them. The list. A list of them for drug usage. All right, somebody do me a favor. Go and check Law and Crime and see if the stream is up yet. See if they're streaming yet. Let's see if they're up in the courtroom. Because they should be up right now. It's 8:16. They should be up right now. Sorry, guys. Oh, gee. At least I'm not stuck in traffic. Cop behind me. Woo woo. Yeah. All right. We had a light. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see. Judge Glenn was in the courtroom. What? Oh, he playing in their face. All right, guys. I'll be going back live once I get situated in the courtroom. Appreciate you. I really do. Until next time. I'll see you when I see you. I'm out.